Hello, my name is Faizan and this is my app Textify. What is Textify? Most people find it time consuming to write notes on a paper and then convert it into a digital text document. With my app Textify, you can easily write your handwriting, and with a click of a button, you can convert it into a digital text document which you can then edit later. So this is an example of the app. Um, so I wrote an example sentence here, and after I click this button here, um, my app converts the text into a um, text document like this. And as you can see, there is some errors in this, like textify and convert, and this was supposed to be .txt. So the accuracy is not perfect, but this can be improved, which I will do in later versions of this app. And other than a .txt file, it can also convert it into a .docx file. So this is a Word document here, and it's the same output. So I used the Python programming language to build this app, and the libraries I used were Kiwi for the UI and Pytesseract for converting the image into text, and docx library for converting it into a .docx file. So this is the basic workflow of the app. The user writes the handwriting with a mouse, touch, or stylus, and when the user clicks the save button, the app converts it into a .png file, and Pytesseract reads the PNG file and converts it into a .txt and docs file. So now I'm gonna demonstrate the app. Okay, so now I'm gonna demonstrate my app. So basically this is the code, and here I'm just importing the libraries like Kiwi, Pytesseract, Pillow, docx, and after that here I'm just specifying the path of where I want to save the text file and docs file and some images of your handwriting. And if I run the app, this is what the app looks like. So here is the canvas where you can just draw, and there's two buttons, a clear button, and so you can clear the screen, and a save button. So after you write, it saves it saves your image. So if I write a small like hello like this and click this button, it saves it. And so basically this class here, that this part basically describes, it tells the app that whenever I hold down the mouse button and when I drag it, it should draw like a white line here. That's basically what that does. And this part, this whole class, basically it creates the buttons, the two buttons, clear and save as docs file, and the um, logo, Textify logo, and it tells them what to do. um, so this part basically uh, saves the image as a drawing.png file. So it is this one right here, and Pytesseract cannot read a transparent image like this. So what this part does is it takes this image and adds a black background to it like this. So this is the beginning image, and this is the output after this code. um, and then this is just initializing Pytesseract, um, the library which I use to convert handwriting to text. and this is where I open output.png, which is this, and I convert it into text, and I save it as a .txt file. So I'm gonna show you that right now. So if I write a small sentence like this is test, and I click save, and I open the text file, and you can see it's pretty accurate. This is test, exactly what's written here. And if I show you the output.png, it saves it here and then it converts it. And now I'm gonna talk about some future enhancements and improvements I would like to do to this app. So first of all, I want to improve the accuracy of the text conversion. So sometimes it doesn't very accurately convert words into text. So like I showed you in the previous slide, that there were some errors in text conversion. So that's one thing I would like to work on. And the second thing is export to PDF format. So right now it only does for txt files and docs files. I would like for it to convert it to a PDF format also. And the third thing I would like to do is image capture. So if the user wants to draw an image, they can the app should recognize that that part of the canvas is an image and should not try to convert it to text. Instead, it should take a picture of the of that specific part where the picture is, and it should basically add that as part of the PDF.